If the letters of the word funny are permitted in all possible ways and the strings thus formed are arranged in the dictionary order, find the rank of the word funny. We want to find the rank of the word funny. Okay, so first I want to write the word funny here, and then we want to write in the alphabetical order. Don't want to write in alphabetical order, but I need the order of the letters. Okay, so if I arrange this in the order, so that F will be the first position and N will be the second position. One more N we have the repeated thing. This is the special case here. This is also N. So here also we have to put 2 only, and then U, letter U, that is in third position, and then Y, that is in fourth position. Okay, so arrange the numbers in alphabetical order. Okay, and then the next step, the first step, we have to write the letters in the alphabetical order. That order is nothing but I want to only the numbers. Okay, and then here, now take this 1 here. Less than 1, how many numbers are there on the right hand side? So less than this number 1, there is no lesser number here. We want to find out the lesser number, but there is no lesser numbers here. So put 0 here. Okay, I want to put this 0, and then here 3. So by comparing this 3, how many lesser numbers are here? I have 1, 2 numbers. So put number 2 here, and then 2 is here. Less than this 2, how many numbers are there? No numbers, no less numbers. So put 0, and then now take this 2. Comparing this 2, how many less numbers are here? There is no less numbers, only we have 4. So 0, and then we have only 4, there is no numbers, so put 0 here. Okay, we want to find the lesser numbers, how many lesser numbers including that number. Okay, and then I want to write that how many times it is repeated, how many times the letters are repeated. Suppose if we take F, now look at this here, how many letters are repeated? Only 2 letters are repeated, N and N. So put here 2 factorial, that means by 2 factorial. We have, for the repeated case, we have to put by 2 factorial, and then take the letter U. On right hand side of this U, we have only 2 letters. So put 2 factorial, and then N. On right hand side of this N, we have, including this N, we have to count 1, 2. So 2 letters are repeated. So put 2 here, and then take this N, and right hand side of this no letters are repeated, only one time it is there. So put 1 factorial, and then take this Y, and this here we have except this Y there is no letters. So for this Y we have to put 1 factorial, including this number we have to put this factorials here. Okay, and then as usual we should write the factorials in ascending order from here: 0 factorial, 1 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial and 4 factorial. And then we want to find the rank. So how to find the rank? There we have to multiply these two. So 4 factorial into this 0 factorial into 2 factorial, 0 by 2 factorial, plus 3 factorial into 2 by 2 factorial, plus 2 factorial into 0 by 2 factorial, plus 1 factorial into 0 by 1 factorial, plus 0 factorial into 0 by 1 factorial, plus 1. Additionally we have to put 1, isn't it, for the word, given word funny. Okay, and then for this 0 we no need to calculate everything, so just strike it out. The remaining thing we have only this thing, this 3 factorial into 2 by 2 factorial. This 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, 2 by 2 into 1, plus this 1 is here, put this 1 here, and then here this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, remaining is 6 plus 1, that is equal to 7. So, the rank of the word funny is 7. This is for the repeated case, repeated letters. If the letters are repeated, we have to follow this method. Okay.